Barbara here from Barbara Makes Crafts, and I'm the creator of BarbaraMakesCrafts.com, where I love to teach you how to make all these wonderful crafts that you can do yourself, to decorate, to give as gifts, or even to sell. And today I want to show you how to make this awesome cauldron candy bowl for your trick-or-treaters that come on Halloween. And it's got a decal on it that says the witch is in, which I think is just adorable. But before we get started today, guys, do you remember that YouTube Cricut tool giveaway that was linked right up here? Well, you guys have blown it out of the water. I was looking for 500 subscribers, and you have given me 1,000, and I am just forever grateful for that, and just appreciate so much you subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And so we will be doing a drawing in the next day or two, so you can look for those winners to be posted Facebook, Instagram, and might do a short little video here on YouTube just announcing them. We'll see. And then I'm going to change it up just a little. You will love the changes. But yeah, so stay tuned. So for this project today, we're going to need, of course, you're going to need your cauldron. We'll need some little Halloweenish stockings, these purple and black ones. You can use orange and black. You can use all black, whatever you want. We've got webbing that you get like at Party City, the Halloween spider web looking stuff. There's a black cloth that I just picked up at Walmart, just one of those pre-cut yard black cloths that makes the divider between the bowl and the witch's legs. And you'll need some tools. You'll need a burnishing tool. This one is my favorite from 143vinyl.com because it's a little bit flexible and it doesn't have the sharp edges like some of the other ones do. You'll need weeding tools, and my favorites, of course, are the Cricut weeding tool and the stab and grab tweezers from 143vinyl.com, where you can just pick out all those little pieces pretty quick and easy. Of course, you're going to need your Cricut. You'll need a 12 by 12 standard grip mat for this one. And of course, you will need a decal. And like I said, we're going to be using this one that says the witch is in, just because I made this as part of a pumpkin decorating contest at work several years ago. And I guess that was the first time I really heard that saying, the witch is in context with a witch being in a pot. We actually did it with a pumpkin, but anyway, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have our design cut, and I have cut the file already, and I'm adding it back to the mat to weed, because that mat will hold it down to make it easier to weed it out. And guys, if you followed me for any amount of time, you know my two favorite weeding tools are the Cricut, just the Cricut weeding tool, and the stab and grab tweezers from 143vinyl.com. And these are the tools I'll be using to weed. And we're just going to start in one corner. Okay, so I'm going to cut the transfer tape in the size of the decal. Set this aside until we're ready for it. And I just picked up one of those pre-cut pieces of fabric at Walmart, just plain black. And this is going to serve as a divider for your bowl. And you can see that it's way too big to fit down in the bowl. And this is a really big cauldron. It's about the biggest that they make. Tacky glue. This is Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue. in pretty quick and easy, didn't you think? I love the spider webby look. I'm not super huge on Halloween, but I do love this because we all need a bowl to give candy in, right? So I hope that you enjoyed making this craft, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, please, if you did, just go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below and like my video. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this or any other crafts, any suggestions, ideas, thoughts, and hit the little bell. Guys, that little bell that's right down there, just go ahead and hit it and you won't miss a single video. You'll be the first one to be notified when I release new videos. So for now, I bid you adieu. Until then, happy crafting.